I swear, I was ready to get a divorce. Okay, so maybe not that far, but his snoring was so bad. I mean, we couldn't share the same bed anymore. I could not sleep. I'm waking him up to try to move him, to get him to stop, you know? It was exhausting. But then I found the mouth tape sleeping straps from Dental Lab Direct, and honestly, these saved our marriage. They're super easy to use. He just pops one on before bed, and because it helps him breathe through his nose, the snoring, gone. He even says he's getting a deeper, more restful sleep because of the improved oxygen flow. Can you believe that? So no more snoring, no more dry mouth or bad morning breath, and we are both waking up feeling rested and happy again. So they're the mouth tape sleeping straps from Dental Lab Direct. You can thank me later.